Hello and welcome to Maxwell White Water Conditioning. We're honored to be your trusted partner in protecting your home's water quality. Here's what you can expect when you schedule with us. On the day of service, you'll receive a call about 30 minutes before we arrive, plus a text and email with your professional's photo, so you know exactly who to expect. When we arrive, we'll introduce ourselves, address your immediate concern, and then perform a full evaluation and water quality check. It's our responsibility to give you a clear picture of your home's water system, helping protect your family, your plumbing, and your appliances from future issues. Next, we'll share options with clear upfront pricing and only move ahead once you approve. In most cases, we can complete the installation or service the same day. When the job's complete, we'll review everything with you, answer questions, leave the workspace cleaner than we found it, and collect payment on site by cash, check, card, or simple financing options. Our goal is to provide a 5-star experience with Maxwell White Water Conditioning. Your guaranteed cleaner, safer water, licensed professionals, and total peace of mind.